Hey you all, welcome to your girl style with P&J. Today I'm going to be teaching you a bra hack. A bra hack. DIY backless bra. DIY, and for these purposes, as I showed you the before, we're gonna transform it so we're not gonna be able to see the back of the bra in the dress. You know, sometimes we want to go out for parties, we want to go wear some really sexy outfits, but we don't have the bras for support, especially for nursing mothers or mothers like us who have had kids and our boobs are falling off the rails. So we still want to slay the outfit, but yes, we don't have a hack. Your girl style with P&J is here to bring you that. So for the purposes of this video, we're gonna need a thread, a needle. Yeah, this is the bra. It's an old bra I'm using, and then I have my pair of scissors. Yeah, so just follow me through as I show you how to do this bra. So for purposes of this video, this is an old bra. I'm just gonna destroy it. I'm gonna cut this here at this side, if you can see here. We'll just cut it really neat. That's it for one side of the bra, and I'm gonna cut the other side. And you do it in such a neat way that it doesn't really, you know, leave out so much tracks. Yeah, so that is out, and then I'm gonna cut this. Leave the adjustable side just in case it's so loose, so we can easily adjust the bra side. Then but I'm just gonna cut this bra has a hook, and I think that's the best because we have to make it really easy, right? We don't want it complicated. So I'm just gonna cut this in a square way, just the way it was sewn here, so it will make our job really easy. Yep. And this is this for that. If you can see, it's really, I really did a neat job, and here you cannot even know I took out something. And we're gonna do same with this side too. So yeah, just watch me do this. So yeah, this is how the bra looks right now. This is how it looks. And don't forget, let me put this scissors down. Don't forget, we can easily adjust it. I didn't cut off the adjustable straps, so we can easily adjust it if it's too, you know, too tight, or you know, or it's too loose. I meant to say, yeah. If it's too loose, we can make it too tight. So usually you want to put it here. If you can see, you want it straight first. You want it straight, and then we're gonna sew this over here. So it's gonna be like this, and sewn here. I usually don't want to always try to put it too close here because it could be seen. So I kind of want to put it here, and then we'll sew it through. So yeah, so now I'm taking my needle, my thread. It's my needle. It's my needle and my thread to sew this. Yep. I place my thread inside my needle. We're not doing too much, and I did like a double knot at the end. to fasten it. And then now we're gonna go straight away to the sewing part. Straight and boom. Yeah, I'm just gonna sew just how I explained in the previous slide. I'm just gonna sew the strap of the bra hand to the side. I didn't really go deep inside the underneath part of the bra, so yes, I'm just sewing and making sure everything is straight. So yeah, it's kind of hard, but even if you don't know how to sew, you can get this. You just need like 5 or 6 stitches if you don't want it really enforced. So yeah, I kind of like sewed both sides, so just watch through. And right now I'm done with sewing, and yeah, this is the end. And you see there is the back of the bra is no more there. It was neat and well done, so now you can rock your dress. That's it, before and after. So yeah, so I hope you guys learned something from this video. Give me a thumbs up and like and comment and subscribe. It's easy peasy. Even if you don't know how to sew, you just need to cut the bra straps and then kind of measure up what fits your dress. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you all. Bye.